Good morning, welcome to today's phonics lesson. We are going to be looking at a new phoneme today within our phase 5 sounds. So let's get started. So let's have a look at some of our tricky words for the week. I say little, you say. I say have, you say. I say some, you say. Well done. Again, pause me, have a go at writing them. Think of some different fun ways that you could spell out the words. Okay, you might have some chalk and you might go outside on your patio and you could practice writing in chalk. You might do it in paint. You might clap out the word. It is entirely up to you. It's how you remember and how you learn. Well done. So today we are going to be learning the new phoneme. Can we all have a go at saying that? I say, you say. Good. Now, here we have got our digraph with a P and a H. So together those letters make the sound. Now we have heard the sound before in our phase 3. Can you remember? Well done. We've got our and our two together. Okay. Well done if you remembered that. So here is the difference between the two sounds. So they sound the same, but they're spelt differently. Okay. Now, just like in phase 3, this sound in phase 5 can be at the beginning or in the middle or at the end of the word. So this is where it gets a bit tricky, but that's how we're learning. We will know eventually the words that need the phase 5 sound or the phase 3. Excuse me. So let's have a look at some words then with the sound in. I want you to have a go at reading them by yourself first of all. If you want, draw your sound buttons, have a go at writing it, and draw your sound buttons underneath. Okay, off you go. Right, should we have a go at doing it together? So we've got O, T, O, photo, D, O, L, F, I, N, D, O, L, F, I, N, dolphin. Good. F, O, N, I, K, S, phonics. Phonics, very good. Right, I want you to have a go at writing those down. Again, if you can think of a sentence with one of these words in, that'd be great. I'll be very impressed. Okay, now we have got a picture or a photo in front of me. What can you see? I can see a beautiful bird smelling a pink flower. Okay, so can we read my sentence together? I can see a photo of a bird. Well done. I can see a photo of a bird. Are there any photos that you can see? So in my flat, I can see a photo of my family. Right, we're going to have a go now at writing these two pictures. Okay, so what can you see here? Easy peasy. Dolphin. Here, I can see a trophy. Okay, pause me and have a go at writing those words all by yourself, remembering our new sound that we have learnt today. Off you go. Well done for having a go at that. Should we have a go at writing it together? Okay, let's sound it out then. So, D, O, L, I, Mm. Oh, I haven't written on the line there. I hope you're doing a better job than me. D o l f i n. Dolphin. Brilliant. Well done if you got that right. Give yourself a big tick. Next one, trophy. T r o. Yeah, now trophy is a bit of a tricky one because we've not learned some of the sounds in this word yet. So we've got t, r, o, f, tro. So the o can also be represented with the o sound. Troph, e, and the y, the y, can also be represented with the e sound. But we'll be learning that a little bit later. So I'm very impressed if you got that one correct. Now what I want you to do is can you write a sentence including your capital letters, your finger spaces, and I want you to challenge yourself and I want you to add an adjective. So you could describe the dolphin or you could describe the sea it's diving into, and remember your punctuation please. Okay, then I would like you to write a sentence about including the word trophy. Okay, it's really important to write sentences with the new sound that you've learnt, so it will help you remember it more. Okay, once you've done that, tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to play a game called Noisy Hopscotch. If you've got chalk at home and you would like to do this in your garden, I'd be super impressed. I'd love to see your pictures on WeDuck. So what we're going to do tomorrow in school is we are going to draw out a hopscotch on our lovely playground. It's supposed to be a beautiful day tomorrow, so fingers crossed the sun is out. And we're going to write some words with our f sound in. And the idea is that you hop on the word, but before you move on, you need to say it out loud. Okay, here's an example, but what they've done is they've drawn lots of different sounds that they've already learnt in phase 3. So you could do that as well to help you remember your phase 3 sounds or your phase 5, or to challenge yourself even more, you could write down your tricky words. So that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. Okay, well done. Right, I am going to be sending you your maths work and a bit of phonics and a little bit of work on Earth Day because it is Earth Day today. I'm going to send out a little story about Earth Day, and I want you to learn about as much as possible as Earth Day, and we're going to have a little chat about it tomorrow. Okay, right, enjoy your day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.